Hello everyone, hope you all are well. So today, social study class 3rd. So we are going to study chapter number 6, our environment. Okay, our environment. So what is my environment? Environment. ENVIRONMENT, environment. It is made up our surrounding. It is made up of our surrounding. We saw many things in our surrounding. We see many things. Trees, others' homes, non-living thing, living thing. I'll tell you about this. These all are environment. We saw many things. So these all are environment. Okay, I'll explain you about environment. So this is our topic, our environment. Okay, understood? So let's move towards content. Okay, so our today's contents are: what is environment? Pollution, air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, saving environment. How can we save our environment? And these all are today's content. Okay, listen carefully. What is environment? Pollution, air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, saving environment, and how can we save our environment. These all are today contents. So please take out notebooks, copies, pencil, pen to note the important notes and the meaning also. Okay, so this is our contents. So listen carefully. Okay, be concentrate. Okay, let's move towards first subtopic. Okay, so our first subtopic is: what is environment? What is environment? Listen carefully. Our environment is made up of our surroundings. Our environment is made up of our surroundings. Already told you, we saw many things in our surroundings. Okay, when we look around, we see living or non-living thing. It's true. Living or non-living thing. What is in a living or non-living thing? I'll explain you. When we look around us, we see living or non-living thing. Just I'll give you example. We are living thing. We are living thing. Table, bench, whiteboard, duster, these all are non-living thing. We human being are living thing. We can easily move one place to another. So listen carefully. The living being and non-living things make our environment. What make our environment? Living being and non-living things make our environment. Understood? Plants, animals, and humans are living beings. So plants, animals and humans are living thing. So understood? We are living being. Plants are also living thing. Animals are also living thing. So air, water, land and buildings are some example of non-living thing. Understood? Living thing and non-living thing. I'll explain you again. Our environment is made up of our surroundings. When we look around, we see living or non-living thing. Our surrounding is made up of our environment is made up of our surrounding. Okay, so what was things we found in our surrounding? We found many things, but living thing or non-living thing. Okay, when we look around, we see living or non-living thing. Okay, the living beings and non-living things make our environment. The living things and non-living things make our environment. Plants, animals and humans are living beings. Air, water, lands and building are non-living things. Understood? Living thing take breath, living thing need air, living thing need water, non-living thing need nothing. Only it occupies space. Okay, so this is environment. What is environment? Understood? Hope you understood. Let's move towards another topic. Okay, so our another topic is pollution. Pollution, listen carefully. Pollution, pollution. So what is pollution? Listen carefully. Pollution is an act of causing harm to our environment and make it dirty. You know dirty? Dirty things. Pollution is an act of causing harm. मतलब pollution is an act of causing harmful to our environment. Understood? It make dirty to our environment. Okay, listen carefully. Pollution is an act of causing harm to our environment and make it dirty. Means pollution make dirty to our environment and it is harmful for us. Our environment get polluted by some of our own activities, isn't it? Our environment get polluted by some of our own activities. We polluted our environment by our activities. Listen carefully. The most common type of pollutions are air pollutions, water pollutions, land pollutions and noise pollutions. I told you about this all. Okay, air pollution, water pollutions, land pollution and noise pollution. So listen carefully. I'll repeat once. Pollution is an act. What is a pollution? Pollution is an act of causing harmful. Act of causing harmful to our environment, our surroundings and make it dirty. Pollution make our surrounding dirty. Our environment get polluted by some of our own activities. How? How? We throw our waste paper, we throw our waste plastic in our surrounding. We throw wrapper in our surrounding. So because of that our surrounding will get polluted. So from today we should not throw wrapper, we should not throw paper in our surrounding. It makes dirty. If our environment get dirty, then it's totally effect for us. Okay, so this is a pollution. I'll explain you about water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution, all. Okay, so another topic is air pollution. Pollution, you know pollution, air. You know air? This is a mixture of gases. Okay, air pollution. So how air get polluted? If air get polluted, then it's harmful for us. We breathe air, we inhale oxygen, exhale carbon dioxide. So if air get polluted, then it is harmful for us. So listen carefully. Air pollution is an act of causing harm to air. Pollution means act of causing, it's harmful, it's harm our surrounding, it's harm our environment. So air pollution means air pollution is an act of causing harm to our air. It's harmful for us. Some of the human activities that pollute air. Human activity means our activity pollute air. How? Listen carefully. Some of the human activities that pollute air are smoke released from vehicles. Why not? Nowadays everyone vehicle, everyone car, everyone have individual vehicle. So because of that vehicle produce smoke. Why not? Smoke and dust coming out of the factory. Factories and industries, they produce smoke. Look at the picture. Factories and these industries produce smoke and it is harmful for air. That's why air cause polluted. Burning garbage in open space. We throw wrapper in dustbin. After that dustbin we throw in garbage. So garbage, we burn garbage. After that it cause pollute our air. Okay, bursting firecrackers. You know crackers? We burst firecrackers in Diwali especially. So it also cause air pollution. By cracker, when we burn, it cause noise pollution also. It throw big sound and cracker produce smoke. Okay, so this is air pollution. This is all about air pollution. Listen carefully. Air pollution is an act of causing harm to air. Air pollution is act of causing harmful to air. Some of the human activities that polluted air are smoke released from vehicles. Every individual persons have individual vehicles, so vehicle produce smoke. Smoke and dust coming out of the factories. Smoke and dust, not only smoke, dust. Dust particles come out from the factories and it's harm to our air. So it's pollute our air. Burning garbage in open space. Bursting fire crackers. So these all cause air. It all cause air pollution. So if air get polluted, firstly it harm to us. We breathe air. If we breathe unclean air, if we breathe like that dirty air, so we fall ill, we fall sick. Okay, this is about air pollution. Okay. So our another topic is land pollution. Land pollution. You know land. Look at the picture. Here is land, it get polluted. It's a dirty, there is dirty water also. So land pollutions. It is an act of causing harm to the land. It is an act of causing harm to the land. Okay. Some practices that cause land pollution are felling the trees. Understood what is land pollution? It means it is an act of causing harm to the land. Okay, land, harm to the land. Okay, it's land pollution. So some practices are cause land pollutions are felling the tree. You know felling? Felling means cutting down the tree. It also cause land. It also cause land pollution. It's harmful. Okay. Overuse of pesticides in the soil by farmers. Pesticides, you know pesticides mean pest means insects all. Okay. So they use pesticides to kill the insects, germs, this all. Okay. So overuse of pesticides. We use pesticides for kill the insects of the plant, but if we use over, then it kills the plants also, not only insects. It harmful for land. These pesticides also harmful for land. Okay, pesticides, weedicides. So throwing garbage like cans, plastic and polythene bag in open space. Throwing garbage. We throw our waste things in a garbage like cans. CANS, cans. You know cans? Cans means it's cans means it's made of a metal. It's made of a metal. Plastic. Another one is plastic. Cans is a utensil. Okay, utensil is made up of metal. It cannot decay. Okay, plastic also not decay. Plastic. What is in a plastic? You know na plastic? We use plastic bag, wrapper, all this. Okay, and polythene bag. We know polythene bag in open space. If we throw these all in open space, then it pollute land. So we should not throw plastic. We should not throw cans, we should not throw polythene bag in an open space area from today onwards. Okay, understood? Listen carefully. Land pollution is an act of causing harm to the land. Okay, some practices that cause land pollution are felling the trees, cutting down the trees, overuse of pesticides in the soil by farmer, overuse of pesticides, weedicides, it also cause it harm for land. Throwing garbage can like cans, plastic and polythene bag in open space. It also cause land pollutions. By doing this all is harmful for land. So we should stop from today onwards. Okay. So our another topic is water pollution. We know water. We already study about water. It is a liquid substance. We use water in many things. Water pollution. We know the meaning of pollutions and water also. Water pollution. How get water polluted? Okay, listen carefully, look at the picture also. Here is water, polluted water. So water pollution is an act of causing harm to the water bodies. Water pollution is an act of causing harm to the water bodies. Not only water bodies, not only water, the aquatic animal which live in the water, these pollutions cause harmful to them also. Mainly harmful to aquatic animal. Some of the human activities that polluted water are these all pollutions caused by us only, because of us. If we did not get any polluted, then it's good for us. So listen carefully. Some of the human activities that pollute water are throwing waste in river and other water bodies. I already told you ocean water is a salty. We cannot drink it. It is mixture of chemical, mixture of salt. How? It gets polluted by human activities. Throwing waste in a river. We throw waste in a river. Waste material, waste things in a river, water bodies. It is harmful for water, it's harmful for aquatic animal. Releasing harmful waste from factories into rivers. Factories produce smoke, it causes air pollution also, and factories produce things. Factories produce harmful waste. They throw into the water, it causes water pollutions. From factories, these things, this waste, harmful materials, it's mixture with chemicals and we throw into the river, or this chemical mixed with water and it's harmful for aquatic animal also. Washing clothes in river. We wash clothes in river. We enjoy at that time, but we did not think that it's harmful for aquatic animal, it's harmful for us also. How? We drink water, so we pollute water by ourselves, so it's harmful for us. Okay, bathing of animals and human beings in river. Washing clothes, bathing of animals. We bath cow, we bath buffalo in river. It is harmful for us. By bathing the animals, human beings in river, it causes water pollution. Washing clothes in river, it also causes water pollutions. Release harmful waste from factories into river. It also causes water pollution. Throwing waste in river and other water bodies. It also causes water pollutions. We need water to live, like air. We cannot live without water. But we pollute water. We ourselves pollute water. So, we should not pollute water. From today onwards, we should ban these things. Okay? So, this is about water pollutions. Okay? So, our another topic is noise pollution. Noise. You know noise pollution? Look at the picture. Here is one man. He is doing like this. Why? Because of noise of train, because of noise of, he is in city now, because of noise of train, because of noise of vehicles, because of noise of factories and all, he feel irritating. Not only he, we all feel irritating by this. Okay, listen carefully. Noise pollution. Noise pollution is an act of disturbing the environment and unpleasant and loud sounds. What is noise pollution? How noise pollution is caused? Listen carefully. Noise pollution is an act of disturbing the environment. We know the environment. Noise pollution is an act of disturbing the environment with unpleasant sound, which is unnecessary sound, loud sound. Okay, it causes noise pollution. Okay, some of the sound that pollute our environment are loud machines in factories. Loud machines in factories. Factories cause air pollution, factories cause water pollution, factories cause noise pollution also. Okay, so factory is good for us? No. Unnecessary honking of horns by people driving vehicles. When we drive cars, anything, excuse me, we honking horn in any place, but we should honking of horn by rules and regulations in proper area. We can horn in a proper area only. Okay? Otherwise, it feels irritating. Okay? Loud music in vehicles and at public places. Loud music in vehicles. Understood? Loud music in vehicles and at public places. When we hear loud music at public places, at marriage, at sadi, we hear loud sound, but it's not good. Okay? Bursting firecrackers. I already told you this cracker we burst in Diwali or other festivals also, but it's harm air pollution, noise pollution also. Okay? So this cracker, the main use of cracker, it produces sound. It throw big sound. So it's not good for us. It's harmful for us. It causes noise pollutions. Okay? Noise pollution is caused by our unpleasant doing activities, by our activities. So we should ban for today itself. Okay? We should ban for today itself. We should not use this cracker in more. We should use less. Okay? We should not do loud music in public places. Okay? So by doing this it causes noise pollution. So it's harmful for us. Okay? So this is all about noise pollution. So another topic is saving environment. Saving environment. Saving means save. How we save environment? By doing this all activity. Here is picture also. Save environment for future generation. Save environment for future generations, upcoming generation. Human activity is slowly destroying the environment. Human activity, it causes harmful to our environment. By our activity, we cause harmful. Therefore, it is our duty to protect and preserve it. We stay in Earth, we stay in this planet, so it is our duty to protect and preserve our Earth. It is our duty to protect and preserve our nature, our natural resources. So when we keep our environment clean, we live a hygienic life. When we keep our environment clean, we live a hygienic life. Understood? So how we keep our environment clean? So we should ban, we study in air pollutions, water pollutions, land pollutions, noise pollutions. These all polluted by ourselves. We throw dirty things in river, it pollutes river. We throw dirty things in land, it causes land pollutions. By our activities only, the environment gets harm. So we should ban. We should keep our environment clean. We live a hygienic life. We live a happy and healthy life after that only. Okay? So human activity is slowly destroying the environment. So we should ban from today itself. We should stop to doing unpleasant. We should stop to horn unpleasant sound. We should stop to throw waste things into the river. Okay? So it is our earth. It is our environment. We should save our earth. We should save our environment. It is our duty. Understood? So another topic is, how can we save our environment? It is our environment, it is our planet, so it is our duty to save our planet. So how can we save our environment? We should plant more tree. Tree make the air fresh and clean. We should plant more tree. Tree make the air fresh and clean. How tree make the? We inhale oxygen, but tree inhale carbon dioxide. Tree exhale oxygen. So it make fresh air. Tree make the air fresh and clean. We should not burst crackers. I already told you we should not burst crackers. It causes air pollution also and it causes noise pollution also. They release noise and harmful smoke into the air. Okay, we should use vehicles fitted with CNG kits instead of using petroleum. Instead of using petroleum, we should use CNG kits. We should not use polythene bags and use only bags made of cloths and paper. We should not use polythene bags. It is made of paper. It cannot decay. If we use bags which is made of cloths and paper, it can decay. It's not harmful for our environment, but polythene bags, it is harmful our environment. Okay? So by doing this, we can save our environment. Understood? So we should always use garbage bin to throw garbage. we should always use garbage bins, means dustbins, like dustbins, okay, to throw garbage. Okay, follow the 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. 3R: reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay, reduce, to use less and not waste. To use less, yes, to use less and not waste. Okay, reuse, to use the things again for some other purpose. To use the things again for some other purpose. To use the things again, like we can use bags, plastic bags again for other purpose. Recycle, to make something new out of waste. We can recycle paper. We can recycle paper. We make something new out of waste. If we throw in our garbage, it's pollute, but if we recycle the paper, it will make newspaper. Understood? So this is 3R. We should always use garbage bins to throw garbage. 3R are reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay, listen carefully. So by doing this, by follow these rules, we can easily save our environment. Okay, understood? So now we finished our class. Let's move towards activity. Okay, this is activity 1. Fill in the blanks. Okay, question number 1: smoke coming out from vehicles cause dash pollution. Vehicles, car, jeep, motorcycle, any vehicles. What cause? Is smoke coming out from vehicle cause dash pollution? Yes, the answer is air pollution. Is smoke, not any vehicles, by factories, by industries. Is smoke cause air pollutions. Okay, so another one is throwing waste into river cause dash pollution. Excuse me. Throwing waste into river cause what pollution? Yes, throwing waste into river cause water pollution. Okay, so we should not throw waste into river, it cause water. Okay, firecrackers cause dash and dash pollution. Yes, this cracker cause dash and dash pollution. What pollutions cracker? It produces smoke and it produces big sound. So that means fire cause smoke, that means air pollutions and big sound, that means noise pollutions also. Okay, so we should use, yes, we can use only, but less amount we should use in less amount. Okay, firecracker cause air and noise pollution. Okay, dash is an act of causing harmful to our environment. It is too much easy. What is the answer? Dash is an act of causing harm to our environment. Yes, pollution. Pollution is an act of causing harm to our environment, to our surroundings. Okay, so this is activity 1. Let's move towards activity 2. Okay, activity 2. This is activity 2. Answer the following questions. This is for you all. Okay, so this is your homework. Listen carefully just before activity. Hope you note down and this is your homework. I didn't give answer. Okay. What makes our environment? Question number 1. What makes our environment? I already told you. What makes our environment? Write your own answer. Okay. What is pollution? What is pollution? What are the different type of pollutions? Okay. What are the different types of pollutions? Okay. What are the causes of land pollution? Causes of land pollutions. How land pollutions cause? Okay. Write your own answer. What are the causes of air pollution? What are the causes of air pollution? How air pollution cause? By doing this, by doing this, by smoke, by factories, like this. Okay? Write your own answer. Okay? How can we save our environment? I already told you the rules. This is our planet, this is our environment, so we should save our environment. It is our duty to save our environment. So how can we save our environment? Write your own answer. Okay, so this is activity 2. Please note down, write down all these. This is your homework. I'll repeat once. What makes our environment? Question number 1. What makes our environment? What is pollutions? What are the different type of pollution? What are the causes of land pollution? What are the causes of air pollution? How can we save our environment? These all are homework for you all. Write your own answer. Okay? So now we finished our class. Hope you understand. Try to understand. Okay? Try to understand. So now we finished activity also. See you on next class. Okay?